welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my first ever video here on YouTube, and I hope you're gonna like it, and I'll try my best to make more videos, interesting one, but you'll be happy watching it. So in this video, I'm gonna try to speak English or Tagalog, but yung mother tongue ko is really Cebuano. I speak Bisaya, but we cannot understand each other kung hindi ako magtatagalog or hindi ako mag-English. So my content is more on like what life is in Japan, or how are Japanese people living every single day, and the culture differences between Filipino people and Japanese. So I have been living here for 7 years, and then I got married this year with a Japanese man. So my life has changed since I got married. Kasi iba dito eh. Like, when you married a Japanese man, you have to, at least for me as a Filipino, I don't wanna rely on him. Pero sa kanila kasi, yung maaasawa nila or inaasawa nila, dapat lang like housewife. Pero in my own perspective kasi, gusto ko like, I have my own money, and I can also support myself. Pag may gusto akong bilhin, mabibili ko. Hindi ako hingi ng hingi. So, I also work full-time before I got married, and since I got married this year. So, I work full-time, and yung husband ko, he also work full-time. So, I'm trying to balance also like the life of being a housewife and a full-time worker. Noon kasi yung single ako, like nagagawa ko yung gusto ko. Waldas lang. Like, kung magpa-party yung mga kaibigan ko, pupunta ako agad-agad. Kasi, wala naman akong kasama sa bahay. So, kasi ngayon, like, I already have someone to take care with, and someone who can also like, who needs my time. So, kasi mahirap din, kasi nabubored ako. Like, I would like also to enjoy, besides like, totally, nabubored ako when I got married na. Kasi like, wala na akong time sa mga friends ko, then I'm busy ng trabaho ko. So, then I realized na baka I can try like something new naman. Kasi before, when I was single, I always meet my friends, we play like badminton from time to time. Kasi like, I have all the time for myself. Pero kasi ngayon, wala na eh. Parang, na lang, nagluluto ako, naglilinis ako ng bahay pagkatapos ng trabaho ko. Pero, besides those things, gusto ko rin yung, matry yung, sa akin lang, kung anong mai-enjoy ko ba yung life ko as a wife. Kasi, hindi na like noon na kung anong gusto ko, magagawa ko. Pero hindi naman ako hinihigpitan ng asawa ko. Pero for now, like, we have to, like, economic problem here in Japan. Grabe, ang mahal ng lahat. We know na ang Japan has a very expensive cost of living, but after pandemic, talagang nagmamahalan na ang lahat. At din yung the salary, ang sahod, kunti lang, hindi tumataas. Sa akin kasi, I quit my previous job dito sa Japan kasi I got very low wage. At sa tingin ko, like, kung ito lang yung sahod ko at yung cost of living nila, like, nagtataasan. So, I decided na mag-change ako ng job, like, to earn more. Pero, ang bait ng Panginoon kasi nakahanap din ako kaagad ng magandang trabaho. Yeah. So, if ever I have time to go somewhere, because I live now in Tokyo, I forgot. I'm living now in Tokyo, and not center of Tokyo. I live in the countryside of Tokyo kasi the center place of Tokyo is very expensive. It's very, very prices. So, hindi namin afford ng asawa ko. Kasi yung asawa ko, katulad ko din, like 30, he is 32 years old. So, same age din kami. Wala din siyang pera, katulad ko. So, kaya nagtatrabaho ako full time. Hindi ako hingi ng hingi. Kasi kung hingi ako ng hingi, baka mag-aaway kami everyday. So, hindi pa ako nakapaglinis ngayon. So, if may time ako maglinis, baka ma-show ko sa inyo yung bahay namin. Kasi, nagre-rent din kami for now. Hindi pa namin afford yung bumili ng bahay. So, I hope kung may suggestion kayo kung ano yung gusto niyo makita dito sa Japan, especially in Tokyo, kung magagawa ko ipapakita ko sa inyo. But for now, the only thing that I can show you is how to be a Japanese spouse or how to be a wife to a Japanese spouse. Hindi siya mahirap eh. Kasi yung asawa ko, parang hindi siya typical Japanese. Yung nagva-vibes din sa akin kung ano yung katangahan ko. May patanga-tanga din siya. So, sometimes like nag-aaway kasi dahil sa pera. Mahal kasi dito. Ako kasi gastos ng gastos. At yung time na magbabayad-bayad na kami kasi we split the bills dito. So, wala, nagagalit na ako kasi ang laki ng bayaran ko. But I spend more money naman. So, wala din naman akong right na magagalit kasi I spend more than he does. And then, he earns more than I do. But I earn lower than he does. Then, yung gastos ko, ang taas-taas, ang laki-laki. Hindi ko nga lang yun. Kasi gusto kong kumain araw-araw. Kasi like 5 times a day akong kumakain, tumataba na nga ako. So, ngayon, gusto ko yung i-reduce yung spending ko. Kasi plano namin mag-baby. Saan kami kukuha ng pera? Sige muna ngayon. It's almost midnight.